Alrighty guys, we have another opener. I finally got a hold of one of these and, well, it's brand new in the box. Haven't even opened it yet. Staples are intact on both ends. Figured we'd get an unboxing video of LiftMaster's most budget-friendly opener there is, and it's actually only for builders. So these are not easy to get a hold of. You cannot usually just walk in and say, I want one of these installed in my existing home, or even install it yourself, because these are only designed to go in as new construction units. And this is the model 2100L. They have a battery backup version of this, model 2300L. So, without further ado, I'm going to pause the camera and let me get the staples out of it, and we'll open this thing up, see what it's all about. Okay, got it out of the box. I was going to try and show pulling it out of the box, but wasn't going to happen with one hand. So let's start going through it. Got the same hardware package they've been giving you for quite a while now, with the MyQ cardboard or paper on the rope and all the hardware. Small handle, of course, with the packet of grease and the hardware. You have a chain spreader that goes with this unit. The L955W multi-function wall control, non-motion detecting. Very nice click to it. Love that. User's guide, not owner's manual, because you have to get the owner's manual online now. They only give you a user's guide. So there's that. Curved part of the door arm. Straight part comes with the T-rail. And I must say, the way they are doing these openers versus the 6690 and 6580 in their packaging, this is much better because you have a clamshell of packaging around the entire unit. So let's lift it off, see what we got. So nothing too exciting there, just the packaging, plastic to cover it and isolate it from rubbing against the paper part. There's the unit itself. Got the eyes over here. Same eyes as they've been using since 2021, late 21. We got our wall button wire. So if it's not pre-wired, you would use this to run to the wall button. And here's the unit. So let me pause and pull the unit out of here, and we'll start right back up. All right, now I got it together. Sensors are on it, ready to go. We can run it now, because on a 3.0 you could not run it without sensors. I don't even think you can do it with a keypad even. So let's take a look at the unit now. There it is, 2100L, 4/29/2026. Back panel, and the panel that everybody has already probably seen. Just installed these. That side, don't know how good the view was, can't see. Said flip the camera, it's kind of tight in this room. So also got the chain spreader on there. Obviously do not do this with the eyes. I'm not telling anybody to do that with the eyes. This is a display only, so that's why we have them that way. Let's take the L993S and let's give it a run. Not bad sounding. That's the bottom, by the way. Wi-Fi Bluetooth logo. It's kind of what it would look like if you're looking at it from an angle from the bottom. Very nice, compact unit. Very much similar to its bigger brother, the 2220L. Over there. As you can see, that one has the camera, though. So, very nice machine. Let's run it back up and I'll show you that it does have the 10 flash. Okay, I'm going to hit the button over here. I'm going to shut it like we're shutting the door. There's your 10 flash, back down. So there it is, LiftMaster 2100L. Now in my collection, with its accessories, all the hardware. Yeah, I definitely like this opener. I very much am impressed with these openers, especially for being an economy opener. So yeah, you guys got to consider that when you're judging these. These are their economy openers. We're not talking about a 6690L here. We're talking about the least expensive LiftMaster opener you can buy. And for it being that, not too bad. I almost would rather have one of these than a 2220L just because it doesn't have the camera. But there it is, unboxing and kind of a review of the LiftMaster model 2100L. I have a request for anybody who's out there that watches this. If you have access to a LiftMaster 2300L, I'd love to see a video of it. Anyways, enjoy.